Afternoon guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we've got a bit of sun after a lot of rain in the last few days. So today we've been working on this 2013 Peugeot. It's an Autocruise Rhythm, and unusually for us it's on a Peugeot chassis, not a Fiat, but either way it's pretty much exactly the same. And the boys have been fitting the Alpine dedicated Fiat Ducato or Peugeot or Citroen under the drinks holder subwoofer. But to go with that, we had to fit the drinks holder plastic paneling in there, genuine part from Fiat. We've also then fitted the mini inline amplifier and the Alpine Halo. This is the Halo 9, the newer model. So this is the ILX F905D. So join me inside and we'll have a quick look at what they've been doing. Right, so sat inside the vehicle, it looks no different to all the others that we do that are 90% Fiat. So this is a Peugeot. Steering wheel controls, they slightly differ in terms of symbols and stuff, but exactly the same setup. The Alpine Halo goes in exactly the same with a fitting kit, and what we do is, the reason why customers come to us is because what you're going to get is you're going to get a really nice bit of kit, so that the Alpine Halo 9 fits really nicely into the existing system, and more importantly your steering wheel controls are retained. We've got no odometer flashing up on the dashboard, and you can still able to adjust your time and date, which a lot of the systems, the minute you take out the radio, won't allow you to do, which is a shame. And more importantly, the odometer flashing is a real pain in the backside. So the Alpine Halo 9, this is the non-nav model, the ILX F905D. Because it's been fitted into the lower chassis, it means that it sits nicely with the dashboard. There is a storage pocket below, above, but you can't access it because, well, you can, you just can't access it for putting much stuff in there. You could put maybe some sunglasses and pens and stuff in there. But this has been removed, if Matt can show that on the shop. This is the central glove box, as we call it. It's been removed to allow for the new genuine Fiat drinks holder. Now, the new genuine Fiat drinks holder, we have done loads of these. We always hold them in stocks. It's a great bit of kit, but it then allows us to fit the dedicated Alpine Fiat under drinks holder subwoofer, which is absolutely, it just transforms the sound in here for what it's worth, because this whole factory system lacks warmth and depth and everything else. So we haven't upgraded any speakers. We've gone for the Alpine Halo 9, the drinks holder, the sub, and then the mini amplifier in there as well. So it's a good all-round package, not loads and loads of money spent, but when this customer drives away, he's going to be chuffed to bits. We've even, apart from keeping the steering wheels and stuff like that, we've even retained things like his camera. So when you pop the car into the van into reverse, now this is his camera. We haven't given it a clean, so it may just need a clean, but it is quite old. It's a dual lens one. We then touch the screen, and because it's a dual lens, we've wired it up to the front, so that now shows the picture behind. Now, we have got another van in the workshop, and that's why you can see the van in there with the chaps working in there. So ordinarily, this would be the view from behind, connected to the front camera, and the view at the back. So when you're reversing, you've then got a beautiful view of what's going on behind you. So I just click that out of gear like so. Before, this customer had a clip-on 7-inch monitor on his rear view mirror. So we've removed all of that now. Not that he can really make much use of the rear view mirror because of the layout of the vehicle, but it's something's better than nothing, and he's going to be chuffed to bits with that. So we're going to go and hand over to him, and just another cracking job for Motorhome Retrofits. If you've got a vehicle like this and you want to get involved, you want to get in touch, and you want something supplied and fitted by us, please do fill out the contact form. We've got quite a hefty lead time in terms of booking at the moment, but at least you know you're going to get the job done properly. So don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family, and as usual, thanks for watching.